Hi Flutes, welcome back. On today's video, we're doing Accent Book 2, page number 8. On today's page, we're reviewing the note E natural, but we're using it on a low, in our low range, so on our first line. Also, half steps and whole steps. On a piano keyboard, the distance between any two notes that are next to each other is called a half step. And two half steps equal a whole step. So if you have two notes and there is a note in between, that's a whole step. On that page in the upper right-hand corner, they're going to give you some extra examples. From A to B flat is a half step, but from A to B is a whole step. Look at that piano diagram or that piano keyboard diagram and see if you can understand what they're talking about with half steps and whole steps. Our first exercise to play is number 21, different steps. It's in cut time, so the values of the notes are different than they are traditionally. Remember that a whole note will get 2 beats, a half note will get 1 beat, and a quarter note will get half of a beat. Join me as we play number 21. Remember your E naturals. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Well done. I bet you'll recognize the next piece. It's a traditional carol called Up on the Housetop. I'm going to adjust my metronome to 100 beats per minute so that we can try playing vivace a little bit. Up on the housetop. 1, 2, ready, go. Did you recognize it? I thought you would. Next is an Israeli folk song called Zum Gali Gali, and it's our duet for today. So I'll begin by playing part A, and you can join me, or you can play part B for an instant duet. This piece is in common time, 4/4 time, and it's got 4 flats. Do you remember what they are? B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat, pinky only. Here's part A. 1, 2, ready, go. And here's part B. 1, 2, ready, go. last exercise is an accent on theory. You'll need a pencil for this one because it says label all the half steps with a triangle and label all the whole steps with the square bracket. And just like they did in number 21, you'll go through and mark those half steps and whole steps. And then you'll play it. Let's review it by playing through this exercise. Ready? If you need to know the third note, F sharp, finger your F and then put your third finger down and lift your first finger up on your right hand. So third finger on the right hand. 1, 2, start with F. 1, 2, ready, go. So that third note is an F sharp, and we'll use it more in the pages to come, but it's our third finger right here on our right hand. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you'll pencil in those half steps and whole steps. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.